Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Just to close up here, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Search for Windows Biometric service. Just double click on it. Just stop the service. After stopping the service, you just need to open the file explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C, find the Windows folder. Now find the system 32 folder. Just double click on it. In here, you just need to find a Win Bio database. You just need to double click on it. Delete all files in this folder. Just right click on it and delete it. After that, just to close off here and select start the service. Select startup type to automatic and select log on, and under local system account you just need to allow service to interact with the desktop and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the same solution guys. The same solution, you just need to go to search menu and type gp edit. Click on open the edit group policy, click on open it. Under computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates and expand the Windows components folder. And now you need to find biometrics. Just click on it. On right side, double click on the allow the use of biometrics. Set this to enabled and select apply and OK for save changes. Allow user to log on using biometrics. Double click on it. Set this to enabled. Select apply and OK. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.